Another Thousand Trails Park set in nature. This is Lake Tahoe area National Forest. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, there's the lake. Look at this location. It's like in the movies, straight on the lake. Oh my. Oh, this is amazing. Look at that. Who needs fancy hotels in Lake Tahoe? This is what you need. This stuff, look at it. Oh. And fishing also. You can just buy permit here, you don't need a license. And you cannot pick these woods for fire. No fire. It's dangerous, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful here. Here you can come with your kayak, put it down in the water and have fun. Oh my. Winter time, collecting food. Well, I see you, buddy. And going up on the tree. I'm leaving Snowflower Resort campground actually. There is no video I can make to show you how beautiful this is. That lake, the woods, trails around. And even Reno is only 1 hour drive, so if you drive faster, you know, you can be there in 45 minutes. Propane is available on Mondays and Thursdays only. There is also a dump station somewhere around, so there's no sewer hookups. The park closes on November 1st or before the snow starts. Donner Memorial State Park. Park is located on Highway 80. There's a campground, overnight parking for RVs, and a museum. A monument to pioneer families that searched the road to California, and the sad story of the Donner Party. They tried to get a shortcut, got lost, took too long time, and they got stuck with the winter. Sierra Nevada never had the worst winter than 1846. The snow was so high, they all got buried. A couple people tried to find a way to California and later came with rescue parties. The rest stayed covered with snow in these mountains without food. They ate their animals and later some of their friends that died. They were rescued in the spring of next year, but 42 didn't survive. 89 of them started the trail, 47 died. I'm always impressed with pioneers that were searching new territories, going west. Mormons marching from St. Louis to Salt Lake City. People that walk on foot the Oregon Trail for like 2,000 miles. There were many sad stories. Some made it and created a better life. The rest, they created a history.